Hello everyone. I'm sure you're watching this video. In this last part of the video, what I'm just going to show you is I'm going to show you everything you have to know about this our package, because I'm none of you don't know any package. What is this package? So some of you want to get a glimpse of this package. So I'm going to show you right here on my mobile phone. Yeah, in case if you don't have laptop, which I'm sure most of our users that are going to get this package are using mobile phone. So this package is just simply a zip folder. It's just simply a zip file that you're going to get after buying it. You're just going to get a zip file that's going to be sent to you in any method available that we're going to use. So it's just going to be a zip file. So I recommend you having a Z Archiver app. You see the app Z Archiver. It enables you to read zip file. You can read zip file. You can do whatever you want to do with zip file. You can even extract it with Z Archiver. So please make sure you have Z Archiver before getting this zip file. So this is the zip file which you're going to get: complete Python package by bcap.zip. That is it. That is the zip file you're going to get. So you just click it with your zip archiver to show you all these options. There, just click view. I don't need to extract. I can read it wherever I want to Z archiver. I will just click view, and this is it. So this is the complete Python package by bcap. Complete. The folder is inside the zip file. Why you use zip file? So that it will be easier for you guys to send. Yeah, because the things in the folder are bulk. So zip file will help you like compress it a lot much better. So that is why it's in the zip file, so that you can easily get it, you can easily download it without using too much of your data. So this is the folder. So you click the folder, and all these are everything in the folder, what is being contained in this folder, which is in the zip file. So we have our introduction, and now each of this what you are seeing here now, as I just click, now these things now are tutorials. This number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then this 17. All these are the tutorials we're talking about, which you're going to see concerning Python. Now just click one, which is also in a folder. You click it, you click the next folder, and you go back to what is called. So this one now has like introduce you to what Python is. You have your introduction, you have a basic on Python language and install Python 2.7, then the third one, and each of these has a subtitle already made with it, so you can watch it in VLC. Just click it here, open. I think so. Yeah, so I'll just go to VLC, just click just once. I just want to show you guys how it's been done. Then I think.
Hello viewers, welcome to the first among a series of visual tutorials to get you started with programming Python language. This will be a short session to help you with the basics, like the features of the Python language and how to get Python to work on your machine.
I've already extracted the file already.
Let's get into your first lesson on Python.
You can go through it.
The session covers the following topics:
so you just
introduction to Python, the features, and setting up Python on your machine.
Okay.
Hello viewers, welcome to the first among a series of visual.
So this is it. So this is just what you're going to get in this our file. So it has the tutorials which we're talking to you about, our video guide. I will call it the video guide. It has the video guide here with it. 1 2. Each of these ones has four videos that talks more about Python. Now we also have home assignment. This is just our assignment we just set for you to be able to just view and enjoy yourself regarding what you've learned in the tutorials. Now, apart from the video guys, which is also the tutorials, we also have the Python PDF, which we told you guys about already. That they're also going to be PDF. Now, this PDF now are many. We have ones that shows how to make a game. That one is only one PDF we should put to show you how to design a game. This one just to give you a real life experience. You can get it and you can practice it. The next one now shows about many questions about PDF. What people have faced, maybe problems have faced while coding, and how to tackle them. This is it. Let me just open one for you here. Open. Let me use Phoenix. So this is it. Okay, this is the game I'm talking about. This one is a rock, paper, scissors game to create. Let me still check. think, okay, let's check this Python programming notes. Let's open. If you need to put just once. Okay, so this is it. So this is an example of what I'm talking to you, I'm telling you about. So this one talks more, see, writing first program. So we embedded this PDF so that as you've gone through the tutorials, the tutorials are not necessarily there for you. With the PDF, if you've encountered any problem and maybe you don't have the strength to gain back tutorial, you can use the PDF and you will see how it is being solved. So guys, this is the full package we are telling you about. It's the file, you just get it right on your device. You just install it right there on your device and you can use it without any problem, without any issue. Just right here, with the tutorials, a subtitle, you can embed it on VSC, watch it with the subtitle, and the PDF you can read later on. So I will be so happy if you guys can make good use, because this is a limited offer. You have not yet put the expiry date, but it's limited. So better get use of your chances now with the 1K and get this folder. And I'm sure by the time you get this folder, if you are new to Python, you become an advanced. You know how to be able to do some good coding with Python and how to do small projects with Python by the time you're done with this our package. So this is the package, guys, and I can't wait to see you with this package. Thanks for watching.